Hi everyone, my name is Desiree. This is my second semester at Widener for the Masters of Social Work program. Just a little bit about me really quick. I have a bachelor's degree in behavioral science, and I also got a certificate for children's advocacy with that, and I work for Child Protective Services. So for this class, my experience with learning research, towards the end of my bachelor's, I did have a couple of different research classes. We went over qualitative versus quantitative data and research, and we actually did our own studies where we collected our own data just based off of, I think, family members' information, and we had to learn how to graph it and everything like that. So I think this is a little bit more in depth, and the data will be provided, which I kind of like, just because I feel like it's more relevant to what I want to do with my career. What would make it fun to learn about research is, I think, just what we already have done so far is picking the topic that we are interested in most. So I did the inpatient psychiatric treatment. So I look forward to working with the group for that. And finally, what excites me about this course is that the syllabus has a lot on it, so I'm a little bit nervous but excited, and I'm just ready to jump in and learn more about the different methods of research and evidence-based practice, because we didn't really focus on that a lot before. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell, and I look forward to working with all of you. Thanks.